Welcome to Chapter 1. My name is Heath, and today we're going to be checking out the Fifine AmpliGame H9 gaming headset. Not only that, we're going to be checking out the entire AmpliGame ecosystem, microphone, audio interface, headset as well. If you're looking to create a nice YouTube or content creation setup, streaming setup, these products are going to be absolutely amazing for you. Not only that, they won't break the bank, and you'll be able to create a wonderful, great sounding setup for a very low price. But anyway, let's jump in this video. Let's check out all the features of this H9 gaming headset. All right, so now let's get into the actual headphone itself. Once you open the box, you're greeted with the headphones. It comes with an included detachable microphone that we'll check out in a little bit. We'll plug the microphone in itself into the headset, let you hear what the sound quality sounds like. The actual headset itself is relatively lightweight. It does come in white or black. The white ones are what I'm currently using. As you can see, the headset sounds really, really good. I've been playing a lot of the Hunter Call of the Wild, so I plugged in the headset, turned on the game just to check it out to see how well it worked. And the surrounding area was just absolutely amazing. It picked up all the little subtle sounds, ducks calling, wind blowing, rain coming down, all the different sounds. And I was actually really shocked and really amazed at the actual sound quality of this headset. It works really well straight out of the box. I am currently using the 3.5 millimeter jack that is plugged directly into the Fifine SC3 audio interface. There is a slider that I can use to control the headset this way. Turn it all the way down, all the way up. It does come with an additional cable that connects directly to the 3.5 millimeter plug that is on the headset itself. It converts it to a USB Type A connection that can be connected to a PC, Mac, PS5, or Xbox. It does include inline controls that will allow you to raise or lower the volume for the headset itself or the microphone as well. There's also a mute option on the side of the controls. There's a flip of a switch. You can mute the microphone very easily. There's also located in the center of the inline controls a button that will enable 7.1 virtual surround sound. So if you want to enable the virtual surround sound for this headset, just press that button. It enables it very easily, and the sound quality is done quite well. All right, so we're going to turn off the Fifine AMA AmpliGame microphone. We're going to switch over to the microphone that is included with the headset, just to give you an idea of what the microphone itself sounds like. And we're going to take advantage of the inline controls as well by raising and lowering the volume just for the microphone specifically while we're using it. Okay, so now we have switched over to a strictly USB connection, and this is what the microphone sounds like straight out of the box. Again, keep in mind that this is a headset microphone, so the sound quality is not going to be super great, but overall I think for a headset microphone it does sound pretty good. As I stated previously, there are some inline controls that will allow you to control the volume of the headset and the microphone itself. As you can see right here, the little red indicator shows that the virtual surround sound is enabled. You can simply press it to turn it off, press it again to turn it back on, and that will enable, I'm gonna be honest with you, virtual surround sound is not done very well a lot of times, but the sound quality with the virtual surround sound for the headphones is actually done really well. I listened to a couple of different audio clips, a couple of videos on the internet as well, with and without the virtual surround sound on, and it does sound remarkably better with the virtual surround sound enabled for the headset. Inline controls are often difficult for me to use simply because I can't use my fingers, but just simply pressing these with a pencil will allow me to turn up the microphone volume, will allow me to decrease the microphone volume as well. Easily done. I can actually control it easily very well. There is a clip on the back side of the inline controls that will allow you to clip it to your shirt or somewhere on yourself. That way it doesn't get tangled up. The cable for the headset is actually really long, so my computer is about 3.5 feet away from me. So if I were to have it connected to my computer with a USB connection, I would still have plenty of room to be able to move around. I still can turn my head, no needs or no worry about it, the cable being too short. However, I do have it connected to a USB hub that is located directly on my desk, about 1.5 feet away from me. So no need to worry about any kind of cable length, anything at all. Again, the inline controls are done really well. Like I said, I can't use my fingers, and a lot of time inline controls are difficult for me to use. These here work really well. There is an audible click whenever you press or depress the button to indicate whether you've actually pressed the button. The virtual surround sound is actually done really well to my surprise, and does add a little bit of depth to the headset itself. I tested it out while playing the Hunter the Call of the Wild, and with the virtual surround sound enabled, it really enhances the sound quality of the game. I imagine with any game that this would be the case. By enabling the virtual surround sound, that it would improve the overall sound quality of the game. So final thoughts on the AmpliGame H9 gaming headset. Overall, the construction on the headset is really nice. It's lightweight. The materials are done really well. The headset is really comfortable as well. The microphone that is included does a decent job for a headset microphone. Its sound quality is great for the headset. The included virtual surround sound and inline controls work really well. Easy to control, no issue whatsoever. The mute feature on the inline controls is a simple click to mute the microphone completely. Done really nicely. Overall, this headset in my book is worth the price. If you want to check it out, again, like I said, I'll leave links down to all the products that I've used from Fifine in this video. I also leave links at the top up here for the other videos relating to the SC3 audio interface and the AmpliGame AM8 microphone as well, if you want to check those out. And if you want to create your own content creation package by using these products, I would highly suggest it. Fifine has always done a great job, at least in my experience, making top quality products. But anyway, guys and gals, hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, there's a black and white version of this headset if you want to pick them up. Again, Amazon affiliate links, keep that in mind if you click on them. But anyway, until next time, much love, peace out, and we'll see you in the next one.